Hi everyone. So quick story for you guys. You guys know how I'm an astrology junkie. Well, if you don't, you do now. I love astrology. I always have. It's not Bible. I don't live and breathe and sleep by it. I'm not falling asleep praying to the planet Jupiter, but I do believe everything is energy. And so the past few weeks, Mercury has been in retrograde. It's about to go direct, thankfully. But when you say that out loud, most people are like, Mercury's in retrograde. Everybody knows it's a time, the planet Mercury appears to be moving backwards, which is an illusion, actually. And it wreaks havoc on communication, all forms of communication. Maybe your internet went down, maybe you're missing phone calls, maybe you've had challenging conversations come up. And it's really a time where you're supposed to review, reflect, restructure, reorganize. And it's a time where you're not supposed to sign any major contracts or make any big purchases, right? And I have lived my life by that, Anyway, it's holiday season, so we're busy, right? And once you know, our washer dryer breaks. Like, we need a new washer dryer. And it's Mercury retrograde and it's Black Friday. The worst combination, in my opinion, the worst time for Mercury to be in retrograde on Black Friday when there's so many good sales. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to challenge this planet and I'm going to stay positive and it's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. So I purchased the washer dryer and it's not fine. It's not fine. We have to have somebody come out because it's not working right. And I'm like, you can't make this stuff up, And then I told my husband, I'm like, I just want you to know, I knew what I was doing, but I challenged the Mercury retrograde theory. And the planets, once again, are showing me, everything's energy, right? The moon affects the tides of the ocean. I don't know. You just can't make this stuff up. You just can't. And I just had to share that with you because it's a real thing. And, it was just something I find fascinating. So have you ever tested Mercury retrograde? Let me know. Let me know how it worked out for you. And I'll keep you updated, But it is about, just so you know, it's about to go direct this weekend. So if you've been feeling challenged, in any of those areas, or you're ready to move forward with something, with signing the contract, making the move, it's time. This is your green light to go. So thanks for tuning in here super fast for this little short story. So I'll see you guys soon. Have a beautiful day.